The butterfly effect concept was based on an article that theoretical meteorologist, Edward Norton Lawrence presented in 1963 to a group of scientists. The butterfly effect article is considered one of the great achievements of 20th century physics, although few non-meteorological scientists noticed it at the time. The butterfly effect is based on the concept that something small, like getting coffee, can influence a much larger event, like altering the course of your career. The butterfly effect rests on the notion that the world is deeply interconnected, such that one small occurrence can impact a much larger complex system. If, for example, when a butterfly flaps its wings in the Amazonian jungle, subsequently a storm ravages half of Europe, or when a single person buys or sells stock on Wall Street which will affect international economies for months to come, causing a ripple effect that expands over time with ever more dramatic results. The things that really change the world, according to chaos theory, are the tiny things. Journey to 2050, a note left behind. Sarah, a curious teenager from 2023, discovers a mysterious, old-looking note in her new home's attic. The note reads, "Sarah, don't wear red on September 5, 2023. The note is from herself, 27 years in the future. 27 years later, Sarah avoids the color but spies on someone else in red, meeting a dangerous fate. She realizes the note was a protective echo from the future. 1912, the unsinkable decision. Time traveler Ethan wants to test the butterfly effect. He travels to 1912 and makes a minor change. He steals a janitor's mop on the RMS Titanic. Returning to his time, he finds a world where the Titanic never sank because the janitor noticed a minor leak while searching for his mop, leading to early evacuation and prevention of the tragedy. But this world isn't as perfect as Ethan hoped. Due to the ship not sinking, certain key historical figures never met or died, leading to unforeseen consequences. 1963, the assassination of President John F. Kennedy never happened. President John F. Kennedy, on the recommendation of the Secret Service, never traveled to Texas on November 22, 1963, escaping Lee Harvey Oswald's bullet. As a result, President Kennedy won a second term as President of the United States and never ordered ground troops in Vietnam on April 1, 1965, totally avoiding the Vietnam War, and sparing the lives of 58,220 troops. Echoes of Ancient Egypt, the amulet's choice. Lisa, a historian, possesses an ancient amulet that allows her to witness history firsthand. Deciding to observe Cleopatra's era, she accidentally drops a modern coin. Returning to her time, she finds a world where electricity was discovered centuries earlier, leading to an alternative reality, all because of the intrigue that the coin created in ancient scientists. Infinite loops, a day to remember. James wakes up with an intense sense of déjà vu. Throughout the day, he notices slight changes, a friend's changed name, new buildings, altered personal histories. As the day ends, he discovers he's been reliving the same day but with minute changes each time, all because of an insignificant choice he makes every morning. Different realities surface because of his daily choices. Can we fix the future? Scientists have gathered to fix a future that is spiraling out of control due to excessive tampering with time. They face moral dilemmas: which events should remain changed? Which should be reverted? Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe and give us a like.